Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, let's see how we can make a simple yet tasty bottle gourd sabji or curry. We can cook, as we all know, bottle gourd in many ways, and this is one of the best ways, I believe. This suits well with rice, roti, paratha, puri. We can cook this as a side dish to anything possible. Now for this is 500 grams chopped bottle gourd, chopped into small pieces. Then the next step is take a wok, put on the stove, add 2 tablespoons cooking oil, add half spoon mustard. This is for tempering. 1.5 spoon black gram or urad dal, 1 spoon chana dal or Bengal gram, half spoon cumin or jeera, a pinch of asafoetida or hing. Let them all crackle. Then add 3 green chilies. Here I have used 3 green chilies. It's up to you. Chop them and use few curry leaves. Then add the chopped bottle gourd. Add desired salt to get it softened. Next, combine all the ingredients. This is very simple. This takes hardly 15 to 20 minutes. Even during a working day, during the morning rush hour, we can happily do this. Now, use low flame cover and cook it for 3 to 4 minutes. After 4 minutes on low flame, just open and check. These are half boiled pieces. Now, the main ingredient in this is milk. Now, add 1 bowl boiled milk. This is equal to 100 ml. Now, the remaining half, this is half boiled pieces. The remaining half, that would boil in this milk. Combine, close the lid and let it get cooked in this milk for the next 4 to 5 minutes on low flame. After 4 to 5 minutes, see, this is almost boiled vegetable. The milk quantity has lessened a little, but there is a lot of milk still. Now let the bottle gourd absorb some more milk. So cover and continue cooking on low flame. Now after 3 to 4 minutes, see, we can see that the milk has almost vanished and we can see little curdled milk. It looks like paneer. Now just to let the remaining moisture escape, open the lid and maintain low flame, otherwise it may get burnt due to the presence of milk. See, the remaining moisture has evaporated and the yummy, tasty, simple sabji is ready. Now put off the stove. This is absolutely ready to be served. This is very helpful in our everyday cooking. Hope you find this recipe useful. If you did, please like it, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Please stay tuned till my next recipe.